Grade 9 Computer Science, Lesson 1 Computer System. Earlier, computers were used mostly by scientists and engineers for complex calculations and operations, and they were very costly. Now, it is very affordable and turned out to be a necessity in banks, hospitals, shopping malls, schools, etc. The word computer is derived from compute, which means to calculate. It is versatile and can handle multiple tasks like documentation, accounting, entertaining, railways, and other bookings. Definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of tasks by executing a given set of instructions. The full form of computer is common oriented machine particularly used for trade and education research. Let us discuss few characteristics of a computer. A computer is capable of performing highly complex tasks which humans are not able to perform efficiently. Let us discuss its strengths and limitations. Strengths of a computer. First one is speed. A computer works at an amazing speed without making any mistakes. Its speed is calculated in milliseconds or in nanoseconds. Next one is accuracy. In addition to speed, a computer performs its tasks with great accuracy. It hardly commits mistakes and the processing of data. The errors generally occur when the input is inaccurate. Reliability. It never gets tired and bored of the repetitive tasks. It can operate for long hours without taking rest with its accuracy intact. Fourth one is storage capacity. A computer can store a large amount of data in its memory in the form of documents, graphics, sounds, etc. Next one is versatility. A computer can perform various types of jobs. For instance, one can enjoy listening to music while typing in MS Word. While working on any package, we can play games, do calculations, make animations, surf the net, send email, etc. Reduction in manpower. Computer has helped the entrepreneurs to become more efficient. As a result, fewer people are required to do the same job. We can also see this in banks, industries, and in almost all government and private sectors. Reduction in paperwork. With the use of computers, a large amount of paper wastage can be prevented in any organization. A computer stores data in the form of records that helps in reducing a lot of paperwork. Moreover, information about anything can be obtained easily and quickly with the help of computers. Computers do also have limitations. First one is limited ability to think. As compared to human intelligence, computers still have a long way to go. Computers still cannot fully think and decide like humans do. Second limitation is dependence on power. A computer is an electronic machine and thus it is dependent on power. Applications of computer. Computers are applicable in almost every field of our life. The major areas of computer application are: first one is military. Computers play a vital role in the design and development of high-tech weapons for defense where absolute accuracy is essential. Computers help in fighting terror and terrorists, and their hideouts can be located anywhere in the world with high accuracy. The world saw how America located Osama bin Laden with the help of computers. Next one is banks. Using online banking, you can check your real-time balance and all the details of past transaction. You can pay current bill, electricity bill. You can uh, you can buy online tickets. You can use your debit cards. You can even subscribe to free monthly bank account statements and apply online to open fixed deposits. The facility of subscribing to mobile banking enables you to virtually carry the bank with you. Third application is in the field of research. Computers facilitate research work in a very effective way, which sometimes seem impossible for humans. Some of them, like earthquake and tsunami warnings, are possible with the aid of computers. Weather forecasting is done with the help of computers. The computations required for launching a new satellite into space, etc. Next field is in the field of education. Computer aided learning and teaching is slowly revolutionizing our education system. The multimedia rich computerized animations and videos help students to understand the concepts in a very simple and effective manner. Virtual classrooms are a reality nowadays. The results of various education boards as well as entrance exams are available online. Students can find information about various colleges through the internet and can apply online for desired courses. Next thing is media and communication. Computers have played a major role in revolutionizing the communication system. From the advent of telephone and TV, which were perceived as incredible things, we have come a long way to enjoy products and facilities like mobile phones, internet, email, SMS, chatting, cable TV, video conferencing, etc. Music can be composed by using MIDI, that is musical instrument digital interface, which allows editing and controlling of sound. A variety of musical formats can be played as well as recorded by using computers. Many video editing softwares with rich functionality are also available. Next one is criminal identification and law enforcement. This helps Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) staff to identify the criminals. The police uses DNA fingerprinting technique to identify the accused with the help of skin, hair or blood samples collected from the site of crime. The traffic police uses speed cameras on traffic lights to monitor people for law violation. Next one is edutainment. At home, the computer is being used for education as well as entertainment. With a computer, the members of a family can have an easy access to games, music, movies, emails, chatting, and even do research for their projects and assignments. People can also watch television on their computers. Next field is business. Computers have greatly helped in the improvement of business activities throughout the world. E-commerce has completely changed the scenario of online shopping. Global business relations can now be maintained through the internet. Computers are used in offices for maintaining sales and marketing records, stock control, planning, production, tax records, etc. Next field is animation and films. In the field of entertainment, computers are used for making animations and cartoon films, producing special musical effects and bringing fantasy to life in movies. Cartoon characters like Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry, etc. are given animation effects through computers. Movies like Jurassic Park, Godzilla, Avatar, Happy Feet, Kung Fu Panda have used the latest computer animation techniques for creating special effects. So children, till now we discussed only 9 applications of computer. Still we have many more applications of computer. Okay. Thank you.